Hi students, welcome back to my channel Get in Bio World. So if you like my videos, please like करें, share करें और subscribe करें. So students, in our previous videos we already learn about human respiratory system and the mechanism of breathing. Now today we will learn about the exchange of gases. Means what we will see in detail. Alveoli are the primary site of oxygen of gases. Exchange of gases also occur between the blood and tissues. Inside the lungs, the terminal part of bronchioles is called as alveoli, and this alveoli is the primary site where the exchange of the gases takes place. Now, except these alveoli, the exchange of gases also takes place in the blood and the tissues. The gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged in the sites by the simple diffusion, mainly based on the pressure or concentration gradient. And these gases like the oxygen and the carbon dioxide can be diffused with the help of the simple diffusion method, which is based on the pressure, and is also called as the concentration gradient. Solubility of the gases as well as the thickness of the membrane involved in the diffusion and also important factor that can affect the rate of diffusion. Means this solubility of the gases means how much amount of these gases can soluble, और the thickness of the membrane means lungs का जो membrane होगा उधर किधर thickness होगा कितना, how much they get thick. It can depend upon both these factors depend upon the or affect on the rate of diffusion. Means both these factor which is important and it affect on the rate of diffusion. So now pressure contributed by an individual gas in a mixture of gases is called as the partial pressure. Means the number of the gases are present, and inside this number of gases only one individual gas can be pressure contributed. This is called as the partial pressure. Means example, if the oxygen, it is represented as the partial pressure of the oxygen, means a PO2, and the carbon dioxide gas is present, and then it represents as the PCO2, means partial pressure of carbon dioxide. P represent the partial pressure and the individual gas is carbon dioxide, then it is called PCO2, means partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Now partial pressure of these two gases in the atmospheric air and two sites of diffusions, which is given in the table. Now we will see this table where the partial pressure of these two gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen, and the atmospheric air and two sites of diffusions are given in table. See, this is the table. There are two gases are present, first oxygen and another one is the carbon dioxide. These two gases in the atmosphere is present at this time, and when this oxygen get entered into the alveoli, is the site is the last or terminal site of the bronchi. At this side the oxygen is partial pressure is 104, and then it get enter into the blood deoxygenate, which is get oxygenated at this type. This is 95, and then it get enter from this blood, it get enter into the tissue, where get enter into tissue, and it is oxygen is at this time is 40. Now from this tissue this oxygen is utilized by many catabolic reactions, and then it is converted into carbon dioxide, which is 45, and then from this tissue carbon dioxide enter into the blood, and from this blood this passes into the alveoli and then return into the atmosphere at the amount of 0.3. Understand all of you? Now see, this is the data given in the table clearly indicates the concentration gradient for oxygen from alveoli to tissue, blood alveoli to blood, and blood to the tissue. Similarly, gradient present for carbon dioxide in the opposite direction, that is from tissue to blood and blood to alveoli. Now see, this is the figure which represent the exchange of gases. First of all, this air is inspired into the body, and at that time the lungs contain the alveoli. At these alveolus, the oxygen is present in 104 mmHg and carbon dioxide is 40 mmHg, and this oxygen is get entered into the pulmonary vein, and from this pulmonary vein the oxygen enter into the heart and then systematic arteries carrying the oxygenated blood. And this carrying oxygenated blood, at that time the oxygen level is 95, and then it is passed to the body tissues. At the side the catabolic reaction is done, and then oxygen is converted into carbon dioxide, because all tissues are get used oxygen and releases the carbon dioxide, and then carbon dioxide is passes into the systematic veins and it carrying the deoxygenated blood. साथ में क्या होगा उसके deoxygenated blood. At that time the carbon dioxide level is 45, and now then it passes to the pulmonary artery, from the heart to the pulmonary artery, and this from pulmonary artery the carbon dioxide enter into the alveoli, and at that time the carbon dioxide level is 40, and from these alveoli through with the help of the lungs, and then it expelled out from the body and expired into the air. Understand all of you? Now we will see in detail. This gradient is present from carbon dioxide is opposite direction to, that is from tissue to blood and blood to the alveoli and expelled out from the body last. Now as the solubility of carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times higher than the oxygen, and the amount of carbon dioxide that can diffuses through the diffusion membrane per unit difference is the partial pressure is much higher as compared to the oxygen. Means carbon dioxide का partial pressure is much higher as compared to the oxygen. Now the diffusion membrane is made up of 3 layers. This diffusion membrane means it is made up of 3 major layers. First, thin squamous epithelium of alveoli, the endothelium of alveolar capillaries, and the basement substances in between them. See, this is figure, and this figure is the diagram of the section of the alveoli with a pulmonary capillary. See, this is the alveolar cavity and air is enter in it and the carbon dioxide is released from this. Now this is the alveolar thick wall which is 1 cell thick, and this is the basement substances, and this is the blood capillary, and inside this blood capillary RBCs means red blood cells flow. Now these blood capillaries is the first layer which is made up of squamous epithelium. किससे बनता है ये? Squamous epithelium and thin squamous epithelium of the alveoli, and complete alveoli is the thin squamous epithelium. And now endothelium of the alveolar capillary. Endothelium of the alveolar capillary. Alveolar capillary is made up of endothelium cells, and now these basement substances present between these alveolar capillary and these blood capillaries के बीच में क्या होगा? Basement substances present रहेगा. And now these, however, its total thickness is much less than a millimeter. कितनी होती है इसकी? मिलीमीटर से भी कम होता है thickness. And all factors in our body are favorable for diffusion of carbon dioxide from alveoli to tissue and carbon dioxide from tissue to alveoli. And these all factors causes the oxygen and carbon dioxide diffusion properly, and it affect on the diffusion of carbon dioxide and oxygen. First, oxygen is passes from alveoli to blood and blood to the tissues, and carbon dioxide releases from tissue to blood and then blood to the alveoli.